Hi there, it's Doug, the Favro Senior Solutions Engineer, and today we will be talking about the Favro BugSplat integration, a way to capture your bugs and crashes. So what is BugSplat? BugSplat is built specifically for game developers and enterprises who care about delivering a stable player experience. They capture crash and error reports across PC, console, and mobile games with rich, actionable data. Symbolicated stack traces, logs, custom attributes, repro info, and more, so teams can squash bugs fast and ship with confidence. Whether you're shipping to early access or releasing your game widely on every platform under the sun, BugSplat and their expert support team make it easy to stay on top of stability at every stage of development. Now let's take a look how to set up this integration. First of all, in Favro, we go into your profile and API token that you will need to use in the BugSplat page. Create a new token, copy to clipboard, and let's go into BugSplat system. Now in here, we go into the settings option and integrations. Here in the integrations menu, find Favro and press integrate. Here, input your email and the API token and press update. If the update was successful, you will see your organization that you can select from the drop-down menu, update. Next, select the widget or the board in Favro, and when you have everything selected, update one more time. Optionally, you can also choose fields to include in the integration. Now let's go into the crashes menu and create a new crash. And here it is. A new crash just popped into our list. Expand the crash and look for the Create Defect button. In here, we can select a defect ID and provide notes that will be also transferred into Favro and press Submit. Now we can see that this crash also created a link back to our Favro organization straight to the card. And if we press the link, we'll jump straight into the board and open up the card with all the details inside. We can see the title, the stack group ID, notes, sample version, and sample call stack. You can choose to update the information that you get into Favro based on what is your database that you have selected to connect with BugSplat. Now here we can see the card has been created. And if we would like to automate the action of creating cards whenever a new crash has been created, we would need to go back to BugSplat and open up the settings and integrations menu. And if we scroll down in the Favro integration, we can see the auto create options. New crashes to create cards whenever a new crash pops up into the BugSplat system, or new groups, where we can set the threshold to create an issue for every new group whenever that threshold has been reached. In this case, let's choose only for new crashes. Let's update and go back to our crashes menu. And let's create another crash. Crash with ID 20 has been created, and we can also see that the link to a Favro card is automatically done. So if we go back into Favro, we can find the new crash card created also. If you would like to customize and have more additional options for your integration, take a look at the BugSplat documentation page and find out more. But that was it about the Favro BugSplat integration, how to get your crashes straight into Favro. I hope this was helpful, and as always, enjoy using Favro.